Now, before you go ahead and reset your computer, it is best to back up or copy your data, your files, into an external storage device such as USB or external hard drive. Or if you have another drive other than your operating system, you can also copy your data there and it will be safe. So before resetting your computer, check your download folders, your documents, pictures, music, videos, and all the important folders that you keep your files and data. And also, if you have bookmarks, you should also export your bookmarks. So here, go to the bookmarks and lists, bookmark manager, export bookmarks. Now I export them here. You can rename this file. The same thing with the Edge browser. Here it is not bookmarks but favorites or favorites. And here you can export favorites or favorites again to the USB. In Chrome it is bookmarks, in Edge it is favorites, and save. After we are done resetting our computer, I will also show you how to import the bookmarks to see all your bookmarks in the bookmark bar. Very nice. So I move this stuff to the USB device. Now go to the settings. You can go to the settings this way and search here settings, or you can directly search it from the search settings, or you can use Windows key plus I. Click on the system and then recovery and then reset this PC. Choose an option. Keep my files, remove everything. The best option is to remove everything. Now let me show you the settings on Windows 10. So here you have the search bar, settings, very nice. To reset, go to updates and security, and here you have at the left side recovery. So on Windows 10 it is under update and security. Click on recovery, and here you get the same option. So click on remove everything. Remove apps and files. Do not clean the drive. Delete all files only from Windows drive. You can change the setting, clean data, just remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. Delete files from all drivers? No. Confirm. Click on next. So we can reset your PC while it is running on battery power. So connected the power cable. Ready to reset this PC. Click on reset. So now we have to wait for this until it is 100%. It can take some hours, it can take some minutes, depending on the power of your computer, depending on the CPU power, and depending on the RAM. Now it is reinstalling the Windows. The operating system is now reinstalling itself. Is this the right country or region? You can select it here, your country or your region. Then click on yes. And choose the right keyboard layout. And then click on yes again. If you are using multiple languages, you can add another keyboard. You can do all this stuff also later. For now, I skip. Now it wants internet, or else you cannot continue. So connect it to Wi-Fi or to the LAN network. I have connected my computer using the Ethernet cable. You can use Ethernet cable or the Wi-Fi. To connect it to the internet using Wi-Fi, just select it, your Wi-Fi, for example, connect it, give your password, next, and you will be connected. So now click on next. On Windows 11 you cannot continue without internet, but on Windows 10 you can escape this step. License agreement, accept it, no other choice. Give a name for your device. For example, Aquianus. Click on next. You can also escape. Just a moment. Now there is no way to get out of this. You have to sign into Microsoft account or create one. Click on create. Here you can give an existing email address or get a new email address. It is very easy and simple to create a new account. So I'm not going to do that. And if you don't have a Microsoft account, then you should go ahead and create and come back. When you give your email address, then click on next. When you give your password, click on sign in. Welcome back. Actually, click on set up a new PC. Set up a new PC. Create pin. Now I gave a very simple password, but later I will change it to something very strong. But it is best to give something very strong from the beginning. Click on OK. Now, location, turn it off, find my device, diagnostic, in typing, then click on accept. It is customize your experience, development, entertainment, gaming, creativity, family, business. Escape it for now. Use your phone from your PC. Respond to text messages, make calls and more from your PC. For now, escape it. For now, escape it. Not now. If you want, you can continue with the trial of Microsoft 365 family, but I do need it because I have a license for Microsoft Office Professional Plus. So I declined Microsoft 365. Get more cloud storage with Microsoft. This, so these are all just good for Microsoft, not for you. So click on next. So join PC games. Escape for now. Oh my god, they have added so much chunks on this. Every version of Microsoft Windows comes with lots of new advertisements, chunks, and things that are not good for Windows users. That's why, like, thousands of Windows users leave Windows and switch to Linux or other operating systems. This might take a few minutes. Almost there. Very nice. Let us do some customizations. Taskbar settings. For the search, I like a search icon only. So this is much better. Unpin from taskbar. Taskbar behavior. You can change the alignment or the layout of the taskbar. Now it is on the center. You can make it on the left like Windows 10. Okay, beautiful. Now you can go ahead and install applications and software that you need. Type Chrome, download. Choose Google Chrome from tools.google.com, not from any other website. Uncheck this option and click on Download Chrome. Now go to your download folder, download, and here is the file that we just downloaded. Double click. Now close Edge. Don't sign in for now. Choose your search engine. Let us say Google. Set as default. Set as default. So it goes to the settings. No thanks. Got it. Now let us go and import the bookmarks. Bookmarks and lists. Bookmark manager. Go here. Import bookmarks. So we exported it here. So bookmarks. Open. Very nice. All our bookmarks are back. Let me show you some privacy settings. Open settings, Windows plus I, privacy and security, Windows security, here action needed. Here you can change the permissions for each application. You can give location access permission to these applications. Activity history, don't store and clear. Other devices. Let your apps automatically share and sync info with wireless devices that don't explicitly pair with your PC, tablet, or phone. So here you can control the permissions. Then click on Apps, Startup, disable Microsoft Edge on Startup, disable Microsoft OneDrive, the phone link, and here are your installed apps. Uninstall. This way you can uninstall applications and software that you don't need. You can change the time and language. Here is set time automatically. If you disable, you can change it yourself manually. Here you can set the date and time. You can enable and disable the date and time from this corner. You can also change your time zone. languages and region. Now I have here two languages, English and Dari. You can add a new language, for example, Spanish. So you have so many Spanish, Mexican Spanish, for example. Next, you can leave it checked if you want to use this language as your main language for your computer. But if you are using it just for keyboard, you don't need all of this. To make your computer fast and secure, you have to change your network settings, your firewall settings, and some other settings. To learn how to do that, watch my another video, the link is in the description. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care and have beautiful times.